What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. If you're returning, welcome back. I have something to show you guys. Something really cool to show you guys today. This here is my Mode 2 Ghost. Pretty awesome little quad. This is meant to be a lightweight quad. This frame is meant to be a lightweight frame, but I put the largest motors I can find on it. As you can see, these motors here are Racer Star 2406S. And I believe they're like a really high kV, 2600 kV. So these motors are really crazy, powerful. This thing pops out of the stratosphere on punch outs, but really not the focus point of this video. Check this motor out here. As you can see, the motor's got damaged a little, really ugly. It probably it'll still work as intended, but it just looks really ugly. And this happened when I was tightening the props there. This is the Realacc motor gripping tool. I guess you can call it that. Alloy pliers for tightening outrunner motor housings. So pretty awesome little tool here. And obviously it's so you can grip the motor here. It gives you a way to hold the motor still. And I thought that was a genius idea. And they're not that expensive either. And there is a alternative here. I got these off Amazon. I got these Realacc ones off Amazon as well. The Realacc ones are a little lighter, it feels, but they feel a little more better constructed. They have the spring action there and a little more grip inside. This one only has 2. No spring action going. This is the cheaper one, I think. Yeah, I think this one is the cheaper one, being an off brand. And this one does have a little notch on the top of the nose there. And that's for gripping the nuts there and turning it that way. So if you have 2 of them, you can probably hold this and turn it. But I use the normal tightening tool with this one here. Pretty awesome combination. And I think everybody should probably have these because it stops this from happening to your motors. So pretty awesome. I'll have links in the description for you guys to purchase this if you want to save your motors. And if this happens to you, I know some of you guys probably got some special kind of way that you do it, but this thing makes things a whole lot easier. So the Realacc alloy motor gripping tool. Thanks for watching.